Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Elisha Balkis binti Zainuddin. My metric number A20822215. Okay, this is a video that I want to show you how I made my Piper J3 Cub. Okay, this is the list of material and tools that we need. Okay, this is the design that we want to model it, which is Piper J3 Cub. Okay, this is the template of the J3 Cub, and we need to cut it to get the shape. And this is the parts that we cut. Okay, next we take the ice cream stick and we draw the temple at the ice cream stick, and it will become like this. We will cut it with cutter. This is the hardest part for me when using the cutter to cut the shape of the aircraft. So this is the result. So next is we need to glue all the parts using a super glue. Okay, this is all the parts of the aircraft that we need. After that, use the sandpaper to smooth the surface of the aircraft body before we color it using paint. Next, what we need to do is glue all the parts of aircraft, which is wing, horizontal stabilizer, landing gear, and all the part that we need to glue. Okay, next, this is the fun part of making this model, which is we need to paint it with yellow coat paint and some black paint in some parts. Okay, this is the final constructions of the Piper J3 Cub. Okay, we can see at 360-degree rotations. Okay, this is the cute cub that I have made, and I have fun when doing this project. That's all. Thank you.